Oh yes. Ooh yes. Shiny. Shiny.
Are you excited?
I am excited. Yeah, it's gonna look so fancy. And I got one extra for stock because I know someone's gonna want a Clubsport front end once they see how amazeballs this looks.
So one person gets one.
One lucky person, well, we can special order for you, but one lucky person will be able to get it actually
soon. And not 7 months from now.
Yeah, although we're missing still some of the ducting, but we're gonna be able to get the bumper mounted. All the aesthetic pieces are here. Some of the other ducting pieces did not come yet.
Oh my God, is that the Clubsport bumpers? Holy shit.
Oh hey, Curtis is in my office. Hi Curtis.
Hey Curtis, he's not in there, he's down here.
Oh, it actually looks like we don't have any of the actual ducts that come off the thing.
Quack.
Yeah. This bumper is exclusively available in Europe, so we import them. It takes 100 years and is not super fun. So we actually did get a second setup for this just because we've had interest where sometimes we have people special order them and then have to wait a long time. So we do have one setup that we have on hand right now because we thought somebody watching this, you know who you are. For those who are not familiar, the Clubsport is a European model, more of a, I guess you could call it a track version of a GTI, kind of factory track version. So it comes with this bumper setup. It has ducts that run through this for the brake system, and people do it either if they're really into brake cooling or some people who just want to modify the car to make it different. John,
I don't know where the hardware goes to.
how long have you been around?
What is that?
How many Volkswagen kits have you seen? These outer edges,
They don't clip in.
they don't clip in. That's probably what that hardware is for.
You just hold this and just push this in like that.
Guy snaps in here.
Underneath
Yep. It's pretty nice. Oh, that's real nice.
I'm just trying to be careful. Oh, now we can put the ducts on.
Quack, quack, quack.
These brake ducts are very secure. I feel like 6 is overkill.
It's
Philadelphia. Philadelphia.
Man, this thing is looking good.
yeah, these bumpers are dope as
I knew that black was gonna pop
Yeah.
big time
Oh.
there.
Flip, pop.
Yes, this is the factory Clubsport lit.
All right, I'm ready.
Send it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, balls, Paul.
Ready?
I'm already up.
All right.
It's like a snaggletooth.
How do you make the alarm not go off?
So what exactly did you just accomplish?
Then we're gonna do it over there.
You got it. He got it.
Just carrying this bumper over to DAP Repair.
And if you drop it?
There goes my paycheck.
Yeah. Oh, it did.
Oh, you just ripped the screws out?
Oh,
Just leave it.
Jesus.
Just leave it there.
Just leave it there. Yeah. Is the horn still in the way?
Yes, the horn is definitely still in the way.
Should we remove it?
Nope.
You bent it?
I bent it. It's still in the way. We must remove.
We must remove the horn. We haven't had the horn plugged in since this car came to us.
That's not true.
Okay, we've periodically had the wires dangling on top of it since we've had this vehicle. There we go.
We're not quite in. There we go.
Oh, yeah, you gotta pop that thing up.
Oh, we don't. Right, I forgot about the missing. We have the other piece.
Yes.
Cool.
We have the other piece, and then we have to figure out how to modify
That's
it.
not gonna look bad at all. It goes all the way down though.
It doesn't go all the way down.
That won't look
But
bad
we have
at
to
all.
figure out how it goes.
Hey, I'm hitting my horn. No, it's not hit. It's very close. Okay, it's very close.
Okay.
I can see it. Something's not.
Sounds like we're hitting something. Are we hitting the horn? No.
Oh, it's hitting the windshield washer fluid bottle.
Oh, we'll have to get the other side anyway, so we'll need a razor blade, just shave it off.
All right, we'll start working on that.
All right, so it's hitting right there.
Really like soft plastic.
That means all this other stuff is gonna hit.
We're gonna have to take that bottle out.
Let's take the bottle out. We don't need washer fluid
We
anymore.
for sure have to take that bottle out.
We really use like get it like a Golf R one that's on the other side.
Yeah, I bet you the Golf R one looks exactly the same. because they have the additional cooler right here. That's the secondary radiator. We're gonna have some problems with secondary air as well. We can relocate that though.
Fudge.
So right now we have to figure out what we're gonna do with secondary air and the washer reservoir if we want the brake ducts to work. So where it comes through the bumper, the ductwork comes through and this is in the way. So this won't be able to mount to the body where it's supposed to because it hits this guy right here and it hits this up top. So,
But we're only doing this because we want the brake duct to work.
right, you could, if you just want to be aesthetics, you could just grind, all we could do is just grind out a piece of this ducting and it would be fine. But if we want to keep the functionality of this stuff, we want to, because we're going to track this car, we want to make sure that we keep all the functionality. I'm not worried about it. Let's take the reservoir out so the bumper can get on and then we'll f with it once we have all the duct work in.
Is it?
Oh no, we're about to see it because we spray painted it.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's going to be ugly. We sprayed,
No, because of the
we sprayed this with bed
all.
David, you're struggling, man.
I am struggling.
Everything's covered in dirt and paint.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
The rest of it's
Putting stuff back on, see? So we don't lose it. Just stick it on there.
That's way off.
we lined up at all.
Yep, we're lined up here in the middle. Ooh! Oh yeah!
Should we do a custom, like TCR style grill?
Super aerodynamic.
That's what the TCRs are like. They don't have a grill at the top there.
Well, they're built slightly different than these cars.
Here you go, Dingle Doofus.
We don't have these wrapped. These are for headlight washer covers, but this car didn't come with xenon headlights, so we're missing them. And because somebody whose name rhymes with mall forgot to order them before we got this wrapped.
We're going to be putting on some track pads for this thing because in the next episode, we're going to the track with this bad boy.
Oh yeah.
G-Loc R12s. No, just in the front. These are prototype brake pads that we have for this setup. And this gap here is a little bit too tight to work with the caliper, so we're just going to open that up a little bit. We've already taken pictures and are sending this to the brake pad manufacturer so that they, you guys don't run into this issue if you ever get these pads. So you can see here there's no more blue paint. The material that we took off to try and get these things to fit in here a little bit better. Look at that, fits like a fucking glove.
And modifying the trims, because if we don't mount these trims onto that bumper, this bumper is gonna look stupid, or we'd have to pull the trims off the entire car. So we're gonna do it with these trims on there. These mount into the bumper because the AllTrack has clips that this thing snaps into. Club Sport bumpers aren't supposed to have these trims on there, so I'm shaving all of this off to have a clean edge, and then we're going to glue them much like we did the fender one. We're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer.
Luckily the Club Sport bumper is flashy enough that they're probably not going to stare at that.
No, you definitely
Although
need
they
less.
might be like, oh, this is on an AllTrack. How did they do that? Oh, they hacked it together with this. I said that.
He didn't do a great job. He didn't do a great job. Listen, look at my side. Go look at my side. I trimmed that one.
I said it needed to be retrimmed. You just got all willy-nilly and glued it. We don't have for the other side.
Correct. The skeleton.
The skeleton for mounting the outside.
Yes.
Okay, so we can't even mount it then.
Right.
Okay.
And we're missing a bunch of screws still, so.
This is actually really cool. This
little fender, this vent on the guy.
This is actually like a really big deal for aerodynamics. It puts air through here and gets air out of the wheel well, which is a real low pressure zone.
This is a no pressure zone. No pressure
I
zone.
literally knew you were gonna say that.
You know, baby. Comes right through here.
Oh gosh, no pressure.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
You can't really see it.
We were looking for screws there.
It's just snapped off, right?
Yeah, it just snapped off.
We got 4 people over here. 5 actually.
Not me.
You're adjacent.
Are you excited about this hour-and-a-half long drive shaft bowl of adventure?
You shut your mouth, boy. on that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
We put the wheels on, we put the belly pan on. Oh, don't lift.
Oh, it's in the lip.
We put the drive shaft bolts in and put that all back together. We raised the car up some. And now we're gonna put the catch can on.
Yeah. We re-raised the front, Max re-raised the front coilovers a little bit
Raise
higher.
the roof.
Let's see if we're at an appropriate ride height.
That doesn't look like it made a difference.
No, it did.
Oh yeah, it did.
That was good. Sure.
I think, yeah, it's better.
Still
Yeah, they were still, it's still raked, but this was kind of a little more tucky. Yeah. It's much less tucky now.
You ever see that video?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh,
Why didn't you drain this?
it's just all over you. It wasn't storing a catch can full of oil. It was, I didn't know if it was or wasn't full, and I didn't check.
Huh? There's our brand new wrap with oil on it.
Well, you gotta break it in somehow.
It's true.
Now it'll be nice and slick for all the bugs that hit.
It smells terrible.
Okay, I'm taking a break.
Next tag.
Why is the car so low?
Yeah, I know.
Won't go up. David's on it.
Is that helpful?
Yes, actually. Maybe a little bit lower. Just like so. There.
More?
That's good. You don't need this hose anymore?
No. The pick's
Take that other
gone, the
shield back
bolts
off.
are gone, all kinds of stuff is gone.
All of the bolts left with the belly pan on now.
Alright, well,
Well, it was my pick. Now it's not so much of a pick anymore.
there's a handle. PCV hose, the one that goes under the turbo inlet, it doesn't want to come off.
It's fucking our world up right now.
It's ruining our life.
It's eating all our food.
Get it?
Nope.
You either broke it or
Nothing happened.
nothing happened.
Yeah, basically nothing has happened.
No, this is some injury is about to happen. I hear the cracking.
Oh yes.
It's still stuck.
Bullshit.
No. Just
Got it.
Thanks, John.
I came and got it.
There's a little damage there, but it's okay.
Back because I felt the same way.
There. I've installed it.
Already?
Over there.
Where'd you do with this bolt?
There's another one up there for the PCB
That one's
valve.
right here.
There's two nuts over here.
Okay.
That looks so good.
That does look really good. I wish this was
More up.
black. That's the only thing that, yeah, that's the only thing that stands out.
Now it looks so fancy.
I didn't get it in my eye. David got it in my
Is that milk?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
eye. This is.
The amazing thing is the only thing that was lost were your tools.
Don't poop in the back.
No, it's not that. It's just
Well, just
the
move a little.
the muscles.
Oh, we're talking.
Just reverse a little.
Are we talking?
Yeah. All right, go.
You gotta do this like 10 times.
And you gotta do it.
I'm trying to listen. I feel something. Okay, no clunks or pops or anything.
it.